All right, so we have a problem, don't we, Mosby? We got a little bit of a problem, don't we? This guy right here, he has figured out how to get into the trash cans. See that? He's figured out how to bump this. Go ahead, bump it. Yeah, on cue, can you do it? He figured out how to get in here, knock it over, pull out anything he wants and get into it. Nah, that's a problem. We can't have that. So we've upgraded from this trash can to this trash can right here. Now, yeah, you can't open that, can you? You can't get in there, can you? He wants to. Even if he does open it up just like that with motion, he can't get into the trash can where he lifts that lid up. Look how easy that is. That's really good access. He's learned some bad behaviors, and this is the best way and the fastest way to correct those bad behaviors is just have this motion activated trash can. This R2-D2 looking trash can right here does more than just motion activated. Did you hear that? What in the world is that? So if you take this lid off, you're most likely going to be putting in this new trash bag right here. And so you got this liner. So you'll put the new trash bag in just like so. And then you'll stick this guy on like that. So you want to make sure that liner is on top of the trash bag, because watch, it's going to do something pretty cool that I've never seen the trash bag do before with this guy right here. You're going to stick that in, and you hear that going? See that green light right there? And now it has done its thing. Now you can use it. See what that does is that pushes the bag down for you, right? And so if you do that correctly, that's gonna get that bag all the way down. And so sometimes when you're throwing trash in there and that bag's not closed and the trash is light, it's not gonna get all the way to the bottom. So that's gonna help you get all your trash at the bottom where it needs to go so you can start filling it up. So that's the kind of something that is not necessarily you don't need to have, but it's a nice to have. So again, I didn't even know I was getting that. I wasn't buying that for that. I was buying it to make sure that the Mosby doesn't get into the things that he shouldn't be getting into. So if your problem is like my problem, or you just want the latest and coolest and Star Wars gadget, this is gonna look good in a trailer. This is gonna look good in a hotel. This is gonna look good in a living room. This is just gonna look good. So if you need something that's small, aesthetically pleasing, and just kind of cool, well, there you go. This guy checks all those boxes.